Welcome back, everyone. We're truly grateful to have you here today. Every journey carries its own story, and the traffic situations coming up will give us plenty of valuable lessons to reflect on behind the wheel. Let's dive right in. A sudden, erratic lane change caught everyone off guard, triggering a painful chain reaction crash in the blink of an eye. Road hazards can happen without warning. Keep a firm grip on the wheel and stay razor-focused so a single moment of panic never costs you your safety. Blasting through intersections without slowing down or checking both sides makes a collision practically inevitable. Always ease off the gas and scan every corner carefully, especially at unmarked crossings with no traffic lights. Reckless overtaking is exactly how completely avoidable and devastating crashes happen. Always follow the rules of the road, stay in your lane, and drive with patience to protect your own life and the lives of everyone around you. Cutting blindly right in front of a massive semi-truck is absolute madness. This driver was extremely lucky to walk away with a second chance. Never gamble with blind spots, and always put your own safety first. Speeding through an intersection without slowing down or looking both ways is an instant recipe for a brutal T-bone crash. Always obey traffic signals and scan every corner before crossing. Don't let reckless haste lead to a disaster like this. Speeding without total vehicle control is an open invitation to disaster. Losing grip caused this car to slide uncontrollably into the oncoming lane, smashing directly into our dashcam vehicle. Always maintain a safe speed and stay in full command of your wheel.
They're stopping, they're stopping, they're stopping, they're stopping, they're stopping, they're stopping! Dominic!
Stay fully focused behind the wheel at all times. Don't end up like this driver. Just a brief second of distraction led straight into a collision with the car turning right ahead. You don't even have to be speeding. A single moment of carelessness is all it takes for a crash to happen. A wildly reckless overtake by this sedan left everyone on the road in absolute shock. Forcing your way through traffic without regard for clearance is a dangerous gamble with fate. While a catastrophic crash was narrowly avoided this time, driving with pure impatience is precisely what turns an ordinary commute into a life-altering disaster. Even with extreme caution, this driver couldn't avoid a direct head-on collision from an oncoming vehicle. When you do everything right, but danger still finds you, what is the real lesson here for all of us? Let us know your thoughts below. Have you ever faced a nightmare like this? Cruising in your own lane when suddenly someone cuts in recklessly and scares you half to death. Drop a comment if you've been there, and what would you say to that driver if you could?
Whoa!
This pickup truck driver made an absolutely reckless lane change, acting like he owns the entire road. What do you guys think about this kind of behavior? Have you ever felt the pure frustration this trucker is dealing with? That car ahead keeps swerving, tapping the brakes, and deliberately blocking every pass. We've all faced this petty road game at least once. How do you keep your cool when someone refuses to share the lane? A bit too rushed and sloppy for a simple turn. Sometimes, lacking just a little spatial awareness turns an easy move into an awkward mess on the road. Blowing past the red light while others are patiently waiting isn't just rushing, it's pure disregard for everyone's safety. A split second of selfish impatience can wreck innocent lives instantly. Driving with discipline and respect isn't optional, it's what keeps us all alive. Driving heavy rigs at night demands absolute focus, especially when flashing emergency lights are visible ahead. Just a brief moment of distraction or fatigue is enough to wipe out reaction time, turning a clear warning signal into a dangerous rear-end collision. Speeding on slick roads is a direct gamble with physics, and traction won't always save you. Walking away from a close call like this is a rare second chance. Never let reckless haste turn into a lifelong regret. Uncontrolled intersections easily turn into chaotic gridlock when nobody is willing to yield. In a mess where everyone just pushes forward, what is your personal rule of thumb to stay safe and navigate through smoothly? Let us know below. Reckless speeding on wet roads isn't just bad driving, it's pure selfish disregard for everyone sharing the lane. Dragging innocent motorists into a chain reaction crash because of your own impatience is inexcusable. Drive for conditions, not your ego. A hilarious mix-up at the roundabout. Entering from the wrong side definitely screams rookie mistake, but thanks to some friendly honks, a quick turnaround saved the day. We've all had those awkward beginner moments. Blasting down the road at nearly 100 miles per hour leaves zero room to react, slamming directly into the slower car ahead. This severe crash is a costly wake-up call about extreme speeding. What do you think it'll take for drivers to finally respect the speed limit? Running a red light like this blue sedan is completely inexcusable. Rushing to shave off a few seconds by gambling with innocent lives always leads to devastating consequences. Never trade other people's safety for a moment of reckless impatience. Snow and black ice strip away tire traction in an instant, turning a busy highway into a dangerous multi-vehicle pileup. When winter hits, slowing down well below the limit and tripling your following distance are the only ways to stay in control and get home safe. Have you ever faced a move this infuriating on the road? A motorcycle carrying 3 people ran a red light and cut directly across our front bumper, narrowly dodging a brutal crash. A reckless, heart-stopping stunt that put everyone in danger. A wildly reckless swerve by this sedan nearly caused a fully loaded semi-truck to roll over. Walking away from a heart-stopping disaster like this is a rare stroke of pure luck. Never bet your life on a second chance, because road physics won't be this forgiving next time. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Which situation caught you off guard the most? Drop your thoughts below. If you found value in these real-life lessons, please hit that like, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to support the channel for more useful updates. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one.